Hello guys, SFRTA here. I'm at 945 again, Amtrak's train number 92. The Silver Star is coming with engine 184 leading. And get this, Miss Patti is driving, so we got the perfect mix here. The Heritage unit and Miss Patti will equal a very awesome horn show. She got a stop signal at United North End. Signal here at 945 just went up to clear, so I think there might just be having signal issues. She might be coming through here slowly. I don't know, we'll have to see. But she had a stop signal at United. She might still be there waiting. So I was kind of hoping maybe, there might be a freight train coming, but doesn't seem like that because the signal just went up to clear here at 945. So sadly, no freight train, but just some signal problems. So Eve's 92's coming now. So I'll just keep the video running and we'll see what happens.
So dropped from a 69 and 92. One number 85084. Amtrak PO92 184 North, clear 945.
Clear 945 for 92.
Even some of the truckers joined in, though their horns sound horrible compared to the beautiful K5LA, which is my favorite. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was Amtrak train number 92, the northbound Silver Star on its way to Tampa, New York, eventually to New York, with Miss Patti driving. Another glorious horn show from Miss Patti. Thank you for that, Miss Patti, and safe trip to the crew of train number 92, the northbound Silver Star. Hope you enjoyed the video. SFRTA, out.